Hey everybody, I wanted to film this video because cycling is a very important part in your rehab post knee and full knee replacement, which I had just over 2 weeks ago now. I'm on probably day 15. Now, I was cycling previously, but my leg was locked out and I was doing 30 to 40 minutes 4 times a week, but still I could build no quad up in like 12 months. I was just kind of spinning. Yeah, it was aerobic exercise. So my surgeon said to me, as soon as I can get on a bike, I want to start cycling. And you can read in different literature and studies, etc. Yes, start cycling straight away, etc. But what I've been able to do, today is the first day I've been able to cycle round with no real discomfort and hip movement. So I'll show you how to get on. Okay, now you might be thinking, why is she in bare feet? Well, because what happens is when you put your shoes on, trainers on, or bikes, they raise you up even more so, which is going to increase that angle of that knee. So that can lead to more pain. What I also found was I would, to get it round better with less pain, I would cycle on top. Okay, so as you can see there, I'm still moving off. It's very uncomfortable in this point, not really painful now, more stiff. So today's the first day, like I said, day 15, that I've managed. I just did 10 minutes light spin, so this is it, and it does, can I push down? Kind of on the pedal, it's kind of lifting up my foot off the pedal though, because the joint range is still not good enough. Does it feel good? Yeah, it kind of feels better than this morning. The first few days it was really sore when I was trying it, and I was lifting up off my hip all the time. Now, what experts suggested, orthopedic surgeons, is to start lowering your seat. Now, I am no way ready to lower the seat anymore. I want to start to get some pressure. I want to be able to go with my shoes for kind of 15 to 20 minutes like this. I could do another 10 minutes now, so just let me tell you, it pulls there. It aches over the top. It's not horrendously uncomfortable. See, I'm kind of relaxing my shoulders. I felt it easier leaning forward too than leaning back. Can you see that kind of loss of control? So I definitely found it easier here. Now, those of you who've got access to a recumbent bike, that's going to be a little easier as well. Let me just slow that down to stop, because the angle is not as great on your knee. See, so I can lift up now, I can stand on one leg, etc. But yeah, so that's the update on when I was able to get onto the bike, what to expect, little tips about definitely bare feet, keeping your foot on top of the pedals, not hooked in at first. What am I going to do? I'm going to try and build this up. I'm going to try and do maybe 2 10 minutes a day. I'm going to start to build up to 15 minutes, 20 minutes, but what I want to be able to do is generate that pressure with that leg and no discomfort on the top before I start to maybe even sink down only 1, and then start to push extra weight to really start to hopefully get on top of this muscle loss, what I have felt. Okay, hope you're enjoying all the updates. Make sure you click like and follow. The playlist on rehab is there. Also, don't forget, this is also great advice for anybody post any knee surgery. All right, everybody, bye. Take care and keep me posted on your journey too.